Today, take a look at the VEVOR microscope. So we got our instructions. That was nice. It actually came with a dust cover. This is one of the more impressive things that I've seen for a microscope. So this actually comes with a full-on swing-out arm. You can adjust the height, and you can pull that thing out to wherever you want it. Super heavy-duty construction on this thing. Now, I can see if you look at the bottom, it's about a 1/4 inch thick plate, but this is designed to be bolted or screwed to your tabletop, so you're going to want to keep that in mind. Comes with some hardware. We got a forehead rest, so that way we're going to always be putting our eyes in the same place. We got our microscope mount, and that's actually on a ball, so you can move that around whatever direction you need it. We got our light. And here is our microscope. So nice large guy. That's nice. So this actually is hinged, so if you move one, it moves both. So that is threaded, and we can see this is a full-on stereo microscope. Comes with a 0.5x lens, so if you want to feel like you're backing away from it a little bit, like if you're in too close, we can thread that guy to give us a wider field of view. We got a couple of rubber eye cups. And we got our eye lenses. I got the arm just kind of temporarily put on here. I used one bolt just to attach it because I got a hole on this table. This guy's going to go up there, and then we put the kip handle on the top. And we can lift that up, drop it down, and if we want to change the rotation, just loosen up that kip handle, and we can move that ball wherever it's going to be most convenient. Drop this guy on, and lock that down. And drop in our lenses, and then we got our forehead rest. That just drops in right there. Now I'm going to stick on these rubber boots just so I'm not accidentally pressing my eye against that glass. And then on the bottom, we put this light. And one of the nice things about this microscope is it actually has a little groove here. So it has a place for these little bolts to go. Oh, that is pretty cool. So we got zoom, and then we got focus. Now right here, this is a little bit. Right now I can see my fingers, so this is about how far away that you got to be in order to actually get focus, and you can actually go in further than that if you want to and continue to focus in. So you can get quite a zoom on top of being able to zoom in with this. But you do have to work fairly close to the lens. But that's okay. For me, I want to take a look at the surface that we're getting, so that's going to require that we be fairly close anyway. I want to adjust, and I want to make sure that I'm getting a circle here. So let's go ahead and see if I can get the camera on there. I don't know how well that's going to work, but we will give it a shot. There we go. I guess it does kind of work. Now this isn't going to give you the best view because really the best view is to have stereo. In other words, using both of the eyepieces at the same time. But here you can really get a look at all those scratches and see exactly how this finish is coming. Very cool. Now we can even zoom in from there. We can see every single little dent in that metal. That is pretty awesome. Very cool. So if you're looking for one heck of a microscope, that is going to be an awesome tool for that.